Oh man, look at this. It's crazy, dude. All right.
How's it, everybody? Welcome to Wade's World. Today we're here with David, Mike, James, and we're going to be heading up Mariners Ridge, and we're going to be joining the Oahu SPCA on Hikes for Homes. You guys ready to do this?
Oh, let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Shoots.
There are times I can't decide when I can't tell up from down. You make me feel less crazy when otherwise I drown. But you pick me up and brush me off and tell me I'm okay. Sometimes that's just what we need to get us through the day. You stay the course, you hold the line, keep it all together. You're the one true thing I know I can believe in. You're all the things that I desire to save me completely. You're the one true thing I know I can believe. You stay the course, you hold the line, keep it all together. You're the one true thing I know I can
Way over there, we can't even see. They come across this very spot we're standing on.
I know what you do. We should leave the go.
Marcus Josh.
It's gonna be in the video. I'm gonna cut that out. Well, guys, I think we had a great hike today with the Oahu SPCA. Hikes for Homes. We put together how many people, guys?
About 80.
About 80 people. It was a great day here. So keep looking for Hikes for Homes. We're gonna keep doing it every month, and everybody's welcome to join anytime. So from Wade's World. You guys don't know the ending of my videos? This is sad, guys. This is really sad.
I don't go all the way to the end.
You never know, no!
Hope you have another beautiful day here in paradise.
See, I'm triangular. Another free day in paradise.
Another 3 days here in paradise.
Once again. Okay, nice shot. Hello. We'll see you guys next week. Huge!